everyone, I hope that you miss me. I haven't seen you for a while, and welcome back to my channel. So today I prepared for you the ADX indicator, and as usual I'm going to show you how you can work with it. So let's check this out. Okay, so I'm clicking on this bottom, and here we have the hot list of the main indicators and the ADX indicator. Okay, so here I'm gonna change only the settings, the main settings. I guess the period will be 9, and the thickness is medium. Okay. So on the screen we see three main lines, but we are working only with the ADX line. These lines are the green line and the yellow lines. What we have to do next? For buying call option, we are waiting for the moment like this one. We are waiting for the intersection of these two lines, and the direction of the green line is growing up. Vice versa, we are waiting for the moment, for example, when we want to buy put option like this, when we have the intersection of these two lines, but the green line is falling down and yellow line is growing up. These are two basic steps working with the ADX indicator, and I've just made call option because that was good moment. I've told you about it. So here we have the intersection of these two lines, and the direction of the green line is growing up. So expiration time lasts 30 seconds. Here I don't like what is going on the screen, but I hope that everything will be good. Okay, just a little. Yep, just a little. Okay, so you see almost, but I am the lucky one. So $88, good beginning. Why not? Okay, and we move on. So new option, the same. So you have to follow only these two steps, and everything will bring you good result. And right now here we have the intersection also, and the direction actually of the green line is that it is falling down and the yellow line is growing up. So that's why I bought put option. Okay, it rises. I don't like it, but everything may change in 1 second. I still have a hope. Not good. Okay guys, it may happen with anyone, so my advice for you, in case of loss, you have to make the next deal twice times and half bigger than the previous one, because you need in one win cover your previous loss. So right now I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna change the $100 to $250 and new option. Okay. So we are waiting for the intersection, clear intersection. Okay, the same. Oh my gosh, seriously, it wasn't, I explained you why. It wasn't a strong position. I mean that the direction, sometimes it happens that we can see the intersection, but the lines may change their direction in 1 second. So that was actually, there wasn't a strong position. So I guess that was not good for me, but I still have good mood and hope that everything will be okay. So you don't need to be nervous, just stay cold-blooded, take a deep breath and relax. Because if you are upset, if you are angry, that is not good for your work, for your life. Just stay cold-blooded and take it easy. Okay, I don't like it, but we have what we have. Uh, I'm not upset, but we see that this result is unsuccessful. So we have to make the next deal bigger. Okay, so right now I'm gonna change $250 to $550. New option. And right now I just need to concentrate to make a really good, not fast decision. I mean fast, but strict decision and right decision, which will bring me good result, which will bring me a win. So these lines are going parallel to each other, the yellow line and the green line. Okay, almost. So we have to be ready. Call option, $550. Right now I need cover everything that I've lost. It is under pressure just a little. I've made call option because you see why. The green line, the direction was growing up of the green line and they crossed each other, the yellow and the green lines. Okay, expiration time, so come on, grow up, don't fall down, because that will be unfair, really. Okay, so you see $484. That's good result, but that was good if we didn't have loss. Right now we continue our work. We covered everything that we lost. So right now I go back actually to my initial position. So in my case it is always $100 and move on. Okay. So expiration time begins. Oh my gosh, don't fall down, please, come on, grow up. Okay, 20 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Yep, just a little. You see, sometimes it is under pressure. That's why I always tell you stay cold blooded, but it is difficult. I know. Okay. $88. Good, really good. So you see how it works. Guys, thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your comments if you don't understand something or if you want to share with me your favorite indicators. I will be pleased. So I'm waiting for your comments. All the useful links are under the video. I've prepared many tips for you and see you on the next time.